Hello. This video you're about to watch. This video you're about to watch is a vlog. Obviously, is a vlog of basically what my friends vlogged, I guess. There are two different events. I think 99% of this vlog footage is filmed by them. I just had to add this on to explain what's happening. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe, and see you next week. Actually, see you next year. Bet you haven't heard that joke before. Goodbye, Das Vidania 2016.
I'm a vlogger too. What's up?
Yeah? What's up? This is Randy's camera. So
Hashtag,
what's up? Excuse my odding.
Oh, you call her Adi?
Yay!
No, I said her.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Twin or up?
Twin.
Highlight.
Highlight.
He didn't know he was gonna get cake, so.
This is my twin. Oh my god.
Cover?
Rhea.
How?
Stepping out on me? Just because we're open doesn't mean you can get engaged to someone else.
Carly?
Alright, go ahead. My final award goes to, drum roll please. Carly!
Why are you up there?
We also have something for you.
What? Why me?
Christmas present.
What? Why me? Why?
Just open it.
Just open it.
Read the card first. Yeah.
We all love you and care for you. And wait, do I have to read this one?
Yes.
So we tools of a break.
What?
And shifted gears and gathered a bit of savings for you to get on the right track. Who the? Yeah, look at the bike that you want. This will be off the chain. We wheelie rope. Hope you like it. We know you're tired of the puns as much as we are. What can we say? It's a never-ending cycle. Oh yeah, Merry Christmas, Christine, Megan, Randy, Rachel, Savannah, Hannah, Mercedes. Thank you guys! Yay!
Bye, Daniel.
You guys had another group message
It was a secret alliance.
Oh my god, that's for a good cause. Yeah.
Thank you so much! I am not a savvy person, but like, my god.
Hey, don't chat this up.
Shats. Oh, shats. This will earn me points for long distance relationship.
I'm a steal.
Mr. Steele, your present. Sausage. Let me see forever.
She's shopping. Window shopping. She's like, no.
Oh, hey. Wait, how did she get? Wait, but hold on, I'm confused.
Stolen from them, they get to get a new thing.
Gotcha.
How was that?
I still get a cut.
Yay!
Oh, a lens.
Oh, dude, they have photos of what not to do.
Camera.
That must be saying a lot.
Yeah, bitch!
Dude, bitch, I dare you. I almost got it.
Hi, Mom!